Hey, Sam and Ron here from A Perfectly Imperfect Marriage, and we bring you a lot of information on this channel. This little video is to give you some additional information into the topics we touch. So, because one of us can be a little long-winded, we're going to do this in 30 seconds. And go.
So we're going to be covering topics moving forward like communication in marriage, forgiveness and the impact of forgiveness, not just giving, but receiving, trust, emotional intimacy, physical intimacy, finances, sobriety, the creating a support network and who you surround yourself with, parenting, how to resolve issues together in a healthy manner that moving forward, you're strengthening your bond and your relationship.
And that's a wrap.
I could go on.
Yeah, there's probably a lot more that we'll touch. I don't think that this ever really ends on what to talk about.
No, it doesn't. But those are some of the topics that really are near and dear to our heart. But as you subscribe and watch, join us on this journey, let us know what topics are on your heart that we could dive into.
We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to dive into things that maybe we might miss or things that work for you that we haven't heard of.
Yeah, that we aren't on top of.
Yeah. So in the comments below, throw us some ideas. Talk to you later.